is ideally because you get to use a pillow. I'm using this cervical pillow and just something lightweight, not too heavy, moderate, because you don't want to overdo the shoulder. And you want to use the pillow here for supporting your low back. The first one is an abdominal chest fly. You slouch down into the pillow and you sit up. Notice how when you come up, you're sitting upright. Your elbows are bent the entire time. And then you slouch into the pillow and then you're sitting upright from the pillow. Knees are slightly bent. And you're trying to do about 15 to 20 of those. Next one is known as a stability exercise, but this time we're going to use it for strengthening. And it's known as the dead bug, where you do opposite arm, opposite leg. However, there's a modification with this one because you can do it with your knees bent. And as you can do it with the knees bent, you can probably extend your arms further, or you can advance it to do it with your legs straight. And again, opposite arm extends away from your body with the opposing leg. Again, 15 reps will be good to get you going. Now the next one is a modified version of the star abdominal curl. Typically we want this one with the legs straight and the arms straight, but this is a modification version where your legs are bent, your elbows are bent, and there's more of a rolling over than a sitting up, as you can see from this. Again, the goal is to minimize any strain on the neck or the back and accentuate the work from your abdominals without using too much of your hips. Now we're going to go for a little bit more of an advanced one. This is one of my favorite ones out of my top 20, and it's the side plank thread. So you create a side plank. However, the top leg is on the front. Quite a bit of bending, so you lift your hips as high as you can go off the ground and you reach under and then straight above you. It's critical, I'm going to show you on this other side, that your hand, your supporting hand, is right underneath the shoulder. So you do not feel the shoulder, you want to feel the lats, kind of the back side of the shoulders. Again, top leg on the front, bottom leg straight. You can bend it, but you won't get as much effectiveness out of, but all the weight is on that leg. So hopefully this makes sense for you.